Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get your Cash App receipt link on a PC. This method is perfect if you need to view, download, or print your transaction records directly from your desktop. First, open your browser and go to the official Cash App website. Then, log in using your registered email address or phone number. Next, you'll receive a verification code from Cash App. Enter that code to securely access your account dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Activities section. That's where all your past transactions are stored. Here, you can use the search or filter tools to find a specific payment. You can search by recipient name, payment type, date, or even the amount to locate your exact transaction faster. After you found it, click on the transaction to open its details. You'll see all the key information: sender, recipient, amount, date, and payment method. From here, you can copy the receipt link, download it as a file, or print it for your physical records. And that's how you can easily get your Cash App receipt link on a PC in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.